garden. I just wanted to show you a little update on the blooms that I planted in the ground. I noticed that they have come up. I'm so excited for the spring to see the blooms. Welcome to Blissful Spaces. I am out in the garden, and yes, it's cold out here. I'm going to go ahead and start my seed starts. I've already started 15 of these trays, so I did get a little bit of a jump start, but I just wanted to share. Some people wanted to see how I do it. It's pretty basic. You just get your trays and then you fill them. And actually, for those that are starting, it's good to have the little seed start trays, but you know what? You can recycle some of your containers. I know a lot of people save their containers throughout the year, and that is okay. You do not have to have the little seed starter trays. You can recycle things at home. Kudos to everyone that have been doing that. I will be doing some of recycling some of my containers. I just wanted to show you I am almost done. I did 15 of these trays already, and I have 4 that I've already filled up with my compost dirt. If you don't have compost at home, feel free to use whatever garden soil that you can find in the store. I mean, it's whatever your preference is. So I'm just going to show you real briefly. I'm going to do one tray with you. Today I'm going to go ahead and use my gloves only because I'm outside and it is like 38 degrees out here. And I had my warming mats turned on in the house. So as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to transport my starter trays indoors and let them warm up on the mat. All right, keep watching, and I'm just going to show you. All I'm doing is just filling up my trays with my compost. I did add a little bit of seed starter into my soil. And it's so easy. I'm a little heavy-handed. I did do some of my seed starts indoors, and I had soil everywhere. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna finish these off outdoors. Okay. So we got that, and we're just gonna level it off. Alright, so we have those. Just going to level the rest of these off. And I'm just cleaning up a little bit. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to plant, or the first seeds that I'm going to do, let's see, are my sweet 100 cherry tomatoes. And I'm only gonna do 5 seeds because I have the 5 remaining trays. So one of them is going to be my trailing nasturtiums. The other one is going to be my sweet 100, and I think I'll do that one. Then I'm going to plant some Japanese cucumbers. And then I'm gonna also do some striped Armenian cucumbers. And then of course some sun gold tomatoes, okay? And all you need is about 2 seeds per little slot, okay? So my little kit came with the little, you know, like a little hole where you can just like do your little hole there. So I'm gonna put my little hole in each little slot. If you don't have these, you could just use your finger. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. It's a perfect day to be outside gardening. Yes. Or just to be indoors gardening. Okay, so I have my holes, and then I'm just going to add 2 seeds, okay? And the seeds are so tiny. So like I said, all you need is 2 seeds in each slot. Look how tiny they are. Okay, so in this tree right here, I added the striped Armenian cucumbers. And then right here, I started adding some of the trailing nasturtiums. I'm just pushing them in. I took my gloves off because the tomato seeds and the cucumber seeds were really small. And it was just so much easier. So mainly the gloves were for the dirt because it was so cold. But so these are the Armenian seeds. And I ran out of garden labels, so I did order some more, but in the meantime, I just made my homemade label as you see, and then I can add a clip of how I made the labels to this video as well. Okay, so I did half nasturtiums climbing the trailing nasturtiums, and then I did half the Armenian cucumbers. Here I did the sweet, super sweet 100s. Like I said, I ran out of labels, so I just had to make some when I get in. Or you could just, you know, put a popsicle stick or whatever you want in there. And then over here, I have some more my sun gold tomatoes. And I have room for, I have one more tray, so I'm gonna run inside and get some more, let's see. Yeah, and get some more, I think I'm gonna do some more cucumbers. Okay, so I will be right back. Got them all, and I'm getting ready to take them inside, planted in there. They are sitting in the little tray that came with it. I got this from Amazon. It was $15 for 5 of these tray domes, 3 pieces. And so this is what it looks like. I put warm water on it only because it's cold out here, but I'm taking them inside. For my seed starter.